So we're making oxtail pho. It's been boiling for the last 2 hours. And I just added more water. Onion, dry galanga, lemongrass, and we have lime leaf. We're gonna toss this in here. And we're gonna let it soak in the flavor. We're making it broth. Go ahead and toss some chicken bouillon cubes. Normally I use beef, but you know, this is all I have in my cabinet. Add some garlic salt in there. And some black pepper. And we're gonna let it add a spoonful of sugar. And that should do it. Got some avocado oil, just a little bit. I added some fish balls and some meatball in here. So that way we have some meat, some meatballs. I'm gonna add a spoonful of minced garlic. And when it's nice and crispy brown, we're gonna toss 2 pounds of ground pork. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put a spoonful of my secret sauce. Maybe 2 teaspoons. And next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna toss some tomatoes in there. Tomatoes. And the broth flavor, we're gonna toss some carrots and some celeries, and we're officially all set now. Go ahead and toss some green onion and some cilantro just to put in some color. And that is the finished product.